All right, so today we are working on the Think Like a Scientist activity. So you're doing that right here. Shouldn't take you that long. So what you should be doing is you're going to open up this presentation here. You'll click it open, or you could view it right here in Schoology. There are, as it says on folder 1, 7 images, and you can kind of see them here. A piece of wood that's been modified with different pieces, and it's been modified with red tape, green tape, a nail, a bent nail that's right here. You see the green tape, the red tape, nail. You got a gold screw here and a black screw here. You got white paint, kind of a red pink paint and a black paint, long cut, short cut. And what you're trying to do is figure out what was the order that these things were added. So it started as a blank piece of wood and it became this. So what you're going to do is look and be like, all right, what happened first? What happened second? They are all layered in order to make that happen. One thing to note is look at this white paint here. There is some white paint in that cut and this cut. Okay, it's really difficult to see, but there is white paint in there and there is white paint in there. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is some orange paint in there, but there is none in here, and there's no black paint in either. Okay, so that should be helpful information in order for you to figure it out. And as I'm here, why not just add that information? There is white paint in both cuts. There is no black paint in either, and there is red and pink paint in only the long cut, not the short cut. Okay, so that should hopefully help you get through. When you finish, so you can write this on like scratch paper, but when you finish, go back to Friday here. You're going to go to the Think Like a Scientist piece here, and you're going to submit it. Submit the order that you think, and I believe that you'll be able to do this multiple times. Okay, so if you don't get the order right, you can go see which ones you did get right and see if you can resubmit it. When you finish, if you have not finished something from this week, one of your assignments, if you have not finished one of your assignments from this week, let's say maybe your About Me card, go back and finish that from this week as well.